Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the NASDAQ 100. There's about 2 hours left of the first market session of the week here on Monday. It's Valentine's Day, so first of all I just want to start actually by saying a happy Valentine's Day to all of you. But you know, the NASDAQ 100 at this moment in time is trading in the green, so it's been a fantastic trading session so far. I'm not going to lie, I really wasn't anticipating a further fall towards the downside. I think I made that clear on Friday's video, and I also posted another video yesterday. But during last night's video, I also announced why it's so important to stay invested. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll definitely go and give it a watch. It doesn't really matter about today's trading session, but I pulled up a few good data charts that I think that you'd love to have a look at, just for, you know, for like if we were to see any more corrections like this in the foreseeable future. It's good to understand the data that I found during my research. NASDAQ 100 currently up at 14,300, session high all the way up at 14,400. So I think, you know, if we can get back above 14,500, as it's quite a large round number, that should be seen as a very bullish sign. And we have that fib all the way up at 14,900. If we can break back above that where the 200-day EMA is, then I think we are on our way to the 50-day EMA. If we can break above that, that's what sends us towards the upside. One thing that I really do like about NASDAQ 100 at this moment in time is that we've priced in a lot of negative news here for the stock market. We have tensions for the for Russia versus Ukraine, the war over that border, or the potential war over the border. We have already priced in several rate hikes going into 2022 because of the rising yields. Earnings have been okay; they've been pretty decent, but you know, it's only been like the mega tech stocks that have really held up the NASDAQ 100, likes of Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Apple, etc. And I think that, you know, at this moment in time, we're priced in a lot of negativity. But if all of a sudden the tables were to turn, and let's say Russia stood down, or Ukraine made an agreement with Russia that they wouldn't join NATO, then I think that obviously opens up a lot of room towards the upside. And you know, if we got any more dovish comments from the Fed, I don't think that we will get any dovish comments. But if, let's say, they become less hawkish, whether you want to call that more dovish or not, but if they become a slightly less hawkish than expected, I think that we could see a potential nice rally going into spring towards the upside here for the NASDAQ 100. So the big question is, you know, whether we will get that W pattern formation here, as we explained during last night's video, where we have that double bottom here. But will we get that at 13,700, or on the flip side, will our W pattern actually be a perfect W shape like that, where you have your double bottom coming in line with each other? Or will we maybe perhaps get a more slanted W pattern like this, where, you know, we're kind of forming a nice uptrend? And if we do get that, that's fantastic, and that will hopefully send us back towards 15,000. And if we can break above these swing highs of the past couple of weeks, and that of course is very, very bullish here for the NASDAQ 100. So ultimately, I think we do return to the higher prices. Do I personally think Russia are going to invade Ukraine? But the answer is no. I genuinely do not think Russia is going to invade Ukraine, and I think that we are more likely to get Russia pull their troops and for an agreement to be made between the Ukraine and Russia. You know, due to the fact, I personally think that Russia have missed the bus. If they were going to go to war with Ukraine, for example, they were much better off doing this around Christmas time. Soon we're going to be entering into spring, where temperatures will become a lot more warmer, and I don't think that it benefits Russia at that time to you know, start invading Ukraine, especially with the sanctions that would then take place. So with the temperatures rising in Europe, of course, you know, if Russia did turn off all of the natural gas resources to Europe, I don't think it would actually affect Europe as bad as it would have done, you know, let's say 2 or 3 months ago when the winter was just starting. So I think that an agreement will be made, whether that's between the European Union and Russia, or whether that's between Ukraine and Russia, Ukraine not joining NATO. Time will tell, but I really do think that there's a lot of upside in this market still to go, and I see these dips right here, right now, as fantastic buying opportunities, and I am a buyer. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.